Hey everyone, it's my first video, and today we're taking a look to the second generation new tablet Lenovo P11. So here is it, and I'm using this tablet a couple of weeks, so I have to tell something. Let's dive into the specs. I have the version with 4 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. There are also another two options, 464 and 6128. And the display is 120Hz LCD with stylus support. And here is the spec sheet for the deep divers. I tried this tablet in different scenarios. Example, in driving app like high paint. I don't know why, but if I higher up the thickness of the brush in high paint, it works very slow. And then I tried Ibis Paint X, and it was full of ads. For anything that you'll try, you need to watch some video or to do something. But surprisingly, it works much faster and smoother. I don't know what's the reason behind that. Maybe 4 GB RAM is not enough for high paint. The PUBG Mobile I tested with a fresh account, so I was playing with the bots. But still, surprisingly, it works very well. For a low-end tablet, it's amazing. And I know not everyone will play heavy games like PUBG Mobile, Genshin Impact, and so on. I tried also to play Sky, but it doesn't want to run. I deleted and reinstalled the game, but I have the same issue. If I try to open, it just shuts down after 1 second. And guys, please, if you have the same issue with the game, tell me, or if you already fix it. Now, about the experience. I have mixed experience with the Lenovo P11 Gen 2. I'll start with some cons. Number 1. Every time if I close any app, my tablet freezes. Number 2. The tablets have 120Hz display, but you'll never feel it or see it. Actually, for this hardware, 90Hz was more than enough. The third one is the software. Example, a floating window, you can't just shut down. You can minimize it, but you can't shut down. And you don't have widgets like for weather or something else. It's also poor. Now, what I like it. Number 1, the PC mode. If you go to the settings, advanced features, you can activate it right there, PC mode. Number 2 is display. What I can say about the display, display is maybe not the best calibrated, but it's sharp, bright, vibrant, and great for the activities like watching movies, reading, browsing, and drawing. And number 3 is headphone jack. I'm just kidding. I don't use wired headphones. The built-in speakers are good enough. Now, I'll take it here out. So here you have SD card slots, dual speakers on both sides. And on the downside, you have also connection points for the keyboard from Lenovo. So you can also attach a premium keyboard, not something like this. About the other features like camera. Camera does the job. You can take pictures, you can make videos. Yeah, it's not the best camera on the devices like tablets or smartphones. But if you're looking something for €200, I don't think it would be much better than this by the tablet. And yeah, this camera is meant for video calls, I think. It's a nice tablet with a nice screen, nice battery, well performed for the price that you pay. And you get also a premium stylus. Now, let's try the Genshin Impact. After the shaders are loaded, the game runs actually very smooth. And even if you see here lags, actually I'm not kidding, because this game is a benchmark test for many premium devices. So like you see, I used different characters with different skills and animations. I used different elements and burned the grass so the game can be loaded so high as possible. I tested also in Spiral Abyss. It works, but I would not suggest to do the Spiral Abyss with this tablet because it's the most hardcore part of the game where you have to do everything almost perfect. And don't ask me why I know all about the game.